Hey guys, it's Adrian from RideEasy here. So today I want to show you how to install the RideEasy Line onto your binding. The first thing I want to tell you is that it's super important to install the RideEasy Line on the correct binding. The RideEasy Line goes on the inside of your front foot. So for me, I am a goofy rider, which means my right foot goes in front and stays strapped on. So this is why I have my right binding here. And the RideEasy Line will go on the inside of my right binding. Obviously, if you're a regular rider, then it will go on the inside of your left foot or your left binding. Okay. Then this is the RideEasy Line and the components that it comes with. Obviously, the body itself. It comes with two strap adapters, and here is the super important part. On the screw itself, there is a locking washer. Okay, so it's on the screw itself when it comes. So don't lose this piece. This piece is quite important. Okay, so these are the pieces that you'll need. Also, you'll also need an Allen key to screw on this screw onto the RideEasy Line. So the first thing you want to do is find your right binding. If you're goofy, again, it's your right foot, it's your right binding, and it goes on the inside. Okay, if you're regular, then it goes on your left binding, inside of your left binding. Okay, so the first step is you want to undo the screw or somehow take off this ankle strap. Okay, for some ankle straps, you will take off the ankle pad like this, like so. For some bindings, you'll actually have to unscrew this screw so that you can have a way to put the strap adapter onto the ankle strap. Okay, so after this is gone and you have a way of putting the strap adapter on, what you want to do is you want to find the right strap adapter. You want to find the smallest strap adapter that fits onto your binding. Okay, so for this one, this is the thin strap adapter. It goes through, but it actually doesn't go all the way down. Okay, it doesn't actually fit. As opposed to the thick one will actually go all the way down. So you want whichever one fits, and that's the one you want to go with. So this is the one that fits for me. Then what you want to do is take the screw. Again, make sure the locking washer is still on the screw. And you want to take the RideEasy Line main body out of the blister. Okay. And then what you want to do is you want to pair it up with the strap adapter. And the idea is you want the RideEasy Line to sit vertical like this when it's in use. Okay, so it's relatively in use, so that this is where you'll strap in. So it's quite vertical. That's where you want it. That's how you want it to be. If the RideEasy Line looks like this after you've installed it, that's wrong. Okay, so all you have to do is just undo the screw and just turn it 90 degrees. Okay, find whichever way to install it to pair up the strap adapter and the main housing so that it's vertical after you install it. So I know this fits in this orientation. Then what you're going to do is, with the strap adapter, you're going to take it out of the binding together while keeping it together. Then you're going to have the screw with the locking washer, and you want to screw the strap adapter onto the RideEasy Line main housing. The easiest way I find is that you put the screw on the Allen key, then you hold this together this way, and then you screw it on. Make sure you screw it on quite tight because the locking washer actually bites down onto the screw and the strap adapter itself. And if you don't screw it on tight, then it won't bite into the screw and the locking washer will be useless. From there, you put the RideEasy Line back on to the ankle strap, then you put the ankle pad back on, you screw it back on, the exact opposite of what you did to undo it. Make sure this is tight. Voila! So that's how you install the RideEasy Line. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys on the slopes.